Yes, but of course they will evolve, and somebody else will come, and ERP systems. It's probably very similar to managing. The styles of management. During some times centralization is impressed upon, and then there are different styles which are decentralized. So I think the same goes for systems, that ERP systems are an attempt to centralize technology, and maybe the world might see a shift at some point where they say small pockets of technology talking to each other, maybe the next trend or the next wave. So you can't really say for sure.
Okay. So what makes Mixit Technologies the leading independent provider of advanced trading and FX connectivity services to the financial industry?
We at Mixit, the team comprises, at least at the board level or at the senior partner level, Wall Street veterans who've been in that space for the last 20 to 30 years, have a very strong network, have a very strong brand name and credibility factor in the financial services. So that's what we use to open the doors in the financial sector in the US. On the other hand, we've got a fantastic Chief Information Officer at Mixit, another veteran with about 18 years of experience on Wall Street. I myself was in New York for about that much time and came back to set up the development arm of Mixit in Karachi.
Right.
So the edge is a lot of domain knowledge, tremendous, a lot of years on Wall Street. And so there's a lot of trust factor that these guys represent 20, 30 years of knowledge. And what we've shown with our technology, which is all what you see behind me, is that the youngsters in Pakistan, they are scientists and what we call engineers beyond any match. They can, given the right environment, given the right domain, they can write the best technology in the world.
Right. So this industry, again, it is relatively newer in Pakistan. So what systems are currently being used in Pakistan?
Well, in Pakistan, I believe has become very technology savvy, and you've got ERPs, CRMs, you've got risk management systems, you have surveillance systems, monitoring systems, all sorts of technologies being used. So I see Pakistan as being a very tech savvy environment, and I see a very bright future. And I see companies and the government trying to make the best use of technology.
So you spoke of big futures. So do you believe consulting firms such as yours have a big future here in Pakistan, like consulting firms?
We believe that Mixit has a very serious role in terms of as a information provider, as a consultant to the financial sector in Pakistan also. To give you an example, we're just in the middle of a project where we are migrating the Karachi Stock Exchange onto the FIX protocol, the Financial Information Exchange Protocol. The significance of this is that currently the exchanges in Pakistan can only allow access to the local brokerage firms to connect to them and send order flow. By implementing the Mixit FIX protocol at the Karachi Stock Exchange, this will be the first time they will be able to allow international financial giants to directly electronically connect to the Karachi Stock Exchange or their member firms and start sending international order flow. So the significance is that while you hear the government of Pakistan and the financial ministry talking about the importance of foreign direct investment, and sometimes it takes them 6 months to a year to sign a memorandum of understanding for maybe bringing in $1 billion of investment, in the oil sector or whatever. It takes so much paperwork and all. By implementing these electronic networks, an international brokerage house can just do a right click and send an order of $1 billion electronically within a second. So that's where we are taking the industry, and we believe that with our knowledge, there is a lot more that we can bring to this market and introduce to this market.